Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to take you on a fascinating journey through the world of golf. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve their game, this comprehensive guide will help you understand and master this incredible sport. You know, golf is unique. It's one of those rare sports where you're not just competing against others, you're challenging yourself. Every round is a new adventure, a fresh opportunity to grow and improve. I've been teaching and playing golf for many years, and I still learn something new every time I step onto the course. Let's start with what makes golf so special. Picture yourself on a crisp morning standing on the first tee. The dew is still fresh on the grass. The sun is just rising, and ahead of you lies a beautifully manicured course waiting to be played. This is more than just a sport. It's an experience that combines physical skill, mental strategy, and the pure joy of being outdoors. First, you'll need some basic equipment. Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank when you're starting out. A basic set of clubs will do just fine. You'll want a driver for those long shots off the tee, a few irons for your approach, shots a wedge for getting close to the hole, and of course a putter for when you're on the green. Add some golf balls, tees, and a comfortable pair of golf shoes, and you're ready to begin. Now let's talk about the fundamental element of golf: the swing. I know it can look complicated when you watch professionals on TV, but we're going to break it down into simple, manageable parts. Think of it like learning to dance. It's all about rhythm and sequence. Start with your grip. Hold the club like you're shaking hands with a friend, firm but not too tight. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and your upper body tilted forward from the hips. Keep your arms relaxed and let them hang naturally. The backswing is all about rotation. Turn your shoulders away from the target, keeping your left arm straight if you're right-handed. Reverse this if you're left-handed. Your hips will naturally turn too, but not as much as your shoulders. Think of it as winding up a spring. You're storing energy for the downswing. When you're ready to swing down, start with your lower body. Your hips lead the way, followed by your torso, then your arms and the club. Impact should feel natural, not forced. Keep your eyes on the ball and follow through toward your target. Remember, the short game is where scores are really made. Putting and chipping might not look as impressive as long drives, but they're crucial to playing well. When you're putting, keep your movements smooth and controlled. Think of it like rolling a ball toward a target. No need for excessive force. Course management is another vital aspect of golf. Sometimes the smart play isn't the most exciting one. It's better to lay up short of trouble and make a safe shot than to risk losing a ball trying for the heroic play. Golf is as much about strategy as it is about skill. Let's talk about etiquette. It's what makes golf special. Always respect the course and your fellow players. Replace your divots. Repair ball marks on the green and maintain a good pace of play. Golf has a rich tradition of sportsmanship and integrity. Embrace it. As you progress, you'll discover that the mental game is just as important as the physical one. Stay positive, focus on the shot at hand, and don't let bad shots affect your next one. Every golfer, even the pros, hits bad shots. It's how you recover that matters. Practice is essential, but make it purposeful. Don't just hit balls aimlessly at the driving range. Work on specific aspects of your game. Maybe spend one session focusing on your putting, another on your wedge play. Set goals for each practice session. Weather can greatly affect your game. Learn to adjust your play for wind, rain, and different temperatures. In windy conditions, swing easier and keep the ball low. When it's wet, take more club as the ball won't roll as far. The beauty of golf is that you can play it your entire life. It's a sport that rewards patience, dedication, and continuous learning. Don't get discouraged if improvement seems slow. Every golfer was a beginner once. Remember to enjoy the journey. Some days you'll play well, others not so much. That's golf. Focus on the process, not just the results. Celebrate the good shots, learn from the bad ones, and always keep a sense of humor. Golf is more than just a game. It's a way to spend time outdoors, meet new people, challenge yourself, and create lasting memories. Whether you're playing with friends, family, or business associates, every round is an opportunity to connect and share experiences. I hope this guide has helped you understand the fundamentals of golf and inspired you to get out there and play. Remember, every great golfer started exactly where you are now. Take it one shot at a time, stay patient, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for joining me today. Now get out there and hit some balls, the course is calling.